back to my Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Torri, and if you see my title, we're doing a Stadium Goods unboxing. I'm so excited. So like, if you seen the beginning of this video, you saw like when I ordered the shoes, and I was like, oh yeah, like anybody who knows me knows I always wanted these shoes. So if you're really close to me and you know me, you already know what these shoes are. However, if you are new to my channel, hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. Oh wait, you're new to my channel. See, I'm so excited I can't get my words out. Let's start this over. If you're new to my channel, hey girl, hey, what's good, what's poppin', what's Gucci? If you're a returning subscriber again, hey girl, hey, welcome back. So now, are y'all ready for me to unbox this? Because I'm ready for me to unbox this. I'm so excited. I've never been like, it's just like Christmas in July. I'm sorry y'all, but my lash is fucked up this whole entire video, so excuse my fucking lash because I know that's disrespectful. So I'm gonna just hurry up and jump into this video. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and also make sure you follow me on all social media platforms. It should be at the bottom of this video this whole time. So y'all ready to get into this video? I'm ready to get into this video, so let's get into this video. Right, so I got me some scissors that y'all see me holding throughout the whole beginning of this video, so I'm about to open it. Oh, did I show y'all what box it came in? I mean, does that really matter at this point? I don't think that matters. But I'm going to show y'all what box they came in. So I came into this big box, like this big old box. And one thing I like about this box, you don't see they don't put the label in the front. They put it where my hand is. So that's great. So you don't see my fucking address. So we're gonna cut it open. So we're just gonna open the box. Okay. And as soon as you open the box, it's like the white paper with your receipts and everything like that. The corporate office is only in New Jersey? Wow. Because I know it's a Stadium Goods store in New York. So I was like, dang, like, what? That's real. That makes sense why I came fast. And trust me, I got standard shipping. Standard shipping. So, it doesn't really say much about, like, the shoe on, like, the receipt. Like, the packing slip. So, I guess that's not that important. So, now the moment. Sorry if my light is getting janky. The sun outside is like all over the place. So it's like it's going up, then it's going down. So my lighting is just all over the place right now. So I'm so sorry. Like, I'm so sorry. I probably gotta turn it up a little bit, but I'm so sorry, y'all. I'm so sorry. Alright. Y'all ready? We got Jordans. Alright, we got some Jordans. That we got our Jordans, and can y'all guess what Jordans I got? I want y'all to take a moment right now, comment down below what Jordans I got. Is it 3s, 4s? But okay, so I want y'all to comment down below what you think I got. What you think I got? First of all, let's just talk about the box. I have Jordans, but I have Jordans, and I have the box still that's in Jordans. But the boxes just beat the fuck up. That's all I'm gonna say. Like, look at this. I don't know. I keep my boxes for my shoes. So it was just like, this looks like y'all OC just water damage. Like, the box itself, like, the box is not damaged. But, baby, the shoe box, what was you doing? But if you guessed right, baby, I got the Chicago black toe ones. Like, baby, look at this. Look at these shoes, bro. Like, first of all, I am gonna be that person that will keep this tag on. So the size I got was a boy size 7, so that's like a 7 youth, and it's like I wear a size 8.5, 9 in women, preferably an 8.5, 8. So this is actually gonna fit perfectly. Like, look at these shoes, y'all. Like, I always wanted ones. Like, I mean, my ex, she got me some ones, but that don't count because she got them. And like, no, I ain't about to ones. So these are officially my first pair of ones. Okay, that's what we're just gonna say. And these are like, y'all, baby, I could wear this with my fit now. Like, this is what I got on right now, right? Look at this. This is a fit I could wear right now, and pop out. Take some good Instagram pictures. But I don't know, I take care of my ones like better than I take care of my Vans. So you probably ain't gonna see me in these shoes for probably a minute. That's a sticker too, y'all. Look at them. These are beautiful, y'all. Like, y'all can't tell me they're not cute. Like, y'all can't tell me they're not cute. The way these shoes about to look on my feet is like ridiculous. Like, y'all just cannot tell me these shoes aren't cute. First of all, I know like the regular Chicago ones, like the top is white, and those was kind of expensive. This was only $165, but I got 15% off, so then I dropped it to $155, but then tax was like $8, so I basically paid regular price without taxes, if that makes sense. But yeah, these are the shoes. I got them for $165, and then like I can leave the link down below. Stay in Goods, sponsor me. I promise you, I will wear them. It's sponsor me, just sponsor me, okay? Just sponsor me. But I will wear the crap. Make sure. What am I trying to say? I will leave the link down below for these shoes, so you could go ahead and check them out and order them for yourself, so we can be twinsies. I don't care. One thing about ones, I don't care if I'm twin. I don't care if somebody else got these ones. I'm gonna get the ones. Ones are just one shoe. I just don't care that anybody else have. I'm gonna have them. Like, but trust me, if somebody got the same pair of what? 4s, I ain't getting them. Same pair of 3s, I ain't getting them. But baby, ones. If you don't have a pair of ones in your life, are you really a sneakerhead for real? Do you really got a shoe game for real? These are so cute. Like, these are my new babies. Like, my newborn babies. I'm in love, y'all. Like, y'all don't understand. Like, anybody who knows me know how pressed I was for some ones. So the fact of the matter is that I really got me a new pair of ones. I got my own pair of ones. Nobody else bought me these ones, but I got my own pair of ones. Really means a lot. Like, all right, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you also follow me on all social media platforms. It was in the beginning of my intro, as well as will be at the description box below, and it should have been at the bottom of this video throughout the whole video. And also, if you want to know where I got my lashes from, I should have posted already the Lash Try On Haul I had, so make sure you go check out her out. And also the link to where I got these lashes from will also be in the description box below. And also make sure you use my code to get 50% off your first purchase with these lashes as well. I think that's really it as far as anything else. Oh, if y'all want any makeup videos, because you know I did my makeup and I feel like my makeup was terrible today, but to each his own. Yeah, make sure you check out for that. I'm probably gonna take pictures today in these shoes just to be pressed, or I might just repeat this outfit and then, you know, wear it out here in these streets. Who knows? Like, I don't know. I really don't care. I repeat outfits all the time, but that's not what I'm trying to make in this video. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Again, I'm gonna keep saying it till you do it, because I know you didn't do it. So I don't even think you made it to the end of this video. But if you made it to the end of this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Boom, period, poo. And make sure you I'm gonna say boom, period, poo. That's what I'm gonna say. But yeah, I love you guys. See y'all in my next video, and like, follow me on social medias.